Hello all, welcome to Databricks. In our last few videos, we had completed setting up Spark on our local system. For setting up Spark on our local system, we followed the following steps. First, we downloaded and installed JDK. Then, we had set up binaries required for Hadoop. Next, we completed setting up the binaries required for Spark on our local system so that we can use Spark shell. And last, we downloaded and installed IntelliJ IDE for testing a Spark application. But if you do not want to set up Spark on local system, then don't worry, there is Databricks for you. Databricks provides you a fully managed cluster where you can run your Spark application. So now let's see how we can create a Databricks account. For creating a Databricks account, you have to go to the below mentioned URL. I will mention the URL in the description below the video. So now let's quickly jump to the URL. So now once you go to the URL, you have to scroll down and go to the option Run on Databricks. Here you will find sign up for an account. You can click here. Okay, then if you click here, then you will be redirected to the Databricks sign up page where you have to provide your details. So in the first name we will provide Databricks. In the last name also we will provide Databricks. Then company we will provide Databricks. Then company email we will provide databricks@gmail.com. Then you can give your role as data engineer. Then in intended use case you can give for education, learning and teaching. Then you can provide your phone number, it is not necessary. Then if you want to be informed with the updates about Databricks, then you can also click on this option and then you can get started for free. So then you will be redirected to this page. Then you have to select the community edition, get started. Now once you click on get started, then an email would be sent on your email ID that you provided at the time of signing up. So see, now here you have to change your password. So let's give password. Let's confirm the password. And then reset password. So now you will be redirected to the Databricks page. So now once you are so you can see that this is the home page of Databricks. So here you can create a new cluster. You can give the cluster name as CLUS cluster dash 01. Then you can select the Scala version and Spark version. Then you have to give the availability zone, but now for now we will keep all of them as it is. Now here you will get one driver node and 0 worker node, as it is free of cost. That is why you will get only one driver and 0 worker, but in paid version you can have as many workers as you want depending upon your requirement. So now we will click on create cluster. So this is going to take some time to complete the cluster setup. Till then we can go to the GitHub page that we went for signing up. So let's go to the GitHub page now. So if you go to the GitHub page, here you can see that Along with the instructions, they have provided you some code so that you can learn, and also they have provided you with some data sets. So you see, if you click on data sets, then you will find various data sets available. You can use these data sets for your learning purposes. So this would take some time, and we need to keep our patience. As soon as it is ready, then we will run our first Spark application using the datasets that is available on the GitHub account. You can also check the Spark UI on Databricks. So this is Databricks is very good uh, if you want to learn how people work in industries. So our cluster is ready. So now let's go to home and then go to users, and then you have to go to create a notebook. You can provide your notebook as name as first application. Default language, you can either select as Python, Scala, R. So for now we will select Scala, and then we will click on create. So see, our cluster is up and running. So now we will read a CSV file. So let's define a variable read CSV is equal to spark dot read dot CSV, and then we will provide the path of the data. For getting the data, you can go to the GitHub link, and then you will find the data here. So if you go to the link, then you get the data folder, and then inside this you have applied data, and inside this we have CSV. So we are going to use the CSV files as our data in our notebook. So I have already copied the part to the data in GitHub. So I will copy, I will paste this path here. Then we will display the data present in the files dot show. So FANSE false. Truncation, for truncation will give us false. Now we'll run this application. Run cell. So you see, our Spark job is complete, and then we have the data available from all the CSV files. So we have completed running our Spark program on Databricks. So now, if in our next video we are going to learn how we can run our Spark program using PyCharm, and also how we can integrate IntelliJ with GitHub. So if you like my video, please subscribe, like and subscribe. Thank you.